I got different swags, man. Get this shit for real though. Okay. I felt Mike Jones' name on this shit, man. Huh? 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 Okay, the young nigga in his zone. The young nigga is on. Pull up at the 3-point line, shoot, bitch, I'm on. And niggas know that I'm grown. Fuck, nigga, what you on? Bitch, nigga, I blow that OZ cushy, nigga, by the zone. Fuck, nigga, we stuntin'. Fuck, nigga, we stuntin'. Don't fuck around with that team, bitch, if you ain't about getting money. Nigga know that we rollin'. Nigga know that we rollin'. Bad bitches just looking at me, hoping that we poker. Fuck it, nigga, we ain't stun 'em. Fuck it, nigga, we ain't stunnin'. Hit the Heisman on that hoe. When she asked to hit this blunt, I said, bitch, you ain't getting none. Nah, bitch, you ain't getting none. Yeah, I do this shit and I wake up and get fucked up for fun. Yeah, I'm in there, yeah, I'm in there. Yo, bitch, my jacuzzi. She all up in her swimwear. Your nigga know that I'm in there. I started shit from my big bro. Shout out to the Juke boys. Niggas know I ain't fucking with me. Nigga know I keep big toys. Nigga, I ain't stuntin'. Action figures. About the size of your main nigga. About the size of your little nigga. Bitch, nigga, we in there. Yeah, nigga, we in there. Said that once before. Bitch, nigga, gon' get what? Let me stop, bro. I'm just fucking with these niggas, man. They ain't really feeling me though, freestyle wise. Shut these niggas down, bro. Okay, let me come back. Okay, bitch niggas ain't packing. Know about that action. Hit your ass up, bitch nigga, I'm rapping. Niggas know that I keep a Jasmine bitch with like Aladdin. Niggas ain't fucking with me. Had these niggas so drastic, looking like that blunt. Boy, I throw it long passing. Niggas know that he alley-oop that bitch dog that I passed her. Nigga going for that too. Nigga going for that too. Young niggas on deck. Bitch nigga we'll shoot. I murk niggas, y'all ain't murking niggas. Pussy nigga will hurt a nigga. Put your ass in that dirt. Come fuck with GD money nigga. Team, yeah bitch we on. You can tell that young nigga in that zone. I'm too swagged up, bro. JT Suave, man. I'm checking out once again, bro. The bad life, man.